All right, with this video, I'm going to chat about a new product that we just released yesterday, okay? And with LiveGood, it's exciting when a new product is released because it means more eyeballs. More people are going to be coming to our company just to buy the product. And then, like myself, I was buying Super Reds and Super Greens and amino acid fruit punch and the organic coffee. Those were the four things that got me into the LiveGood thing, okay? Then I become an affiliate, okay? So let's talk about the latest product. And you know what? I got to be honest. I've been around a long time, since the 60s. I have never heard of this product, okay? If someone had $1 million and said, Cory, what is this for? I go, I just don't know. But thank goodness you can go to LiveGood, click on the product, and it has a description, how to use it, what the ingredients are, how much it is wholesale, retail. Wham, bam. Thank you. Yes. Okay. So first of all, thanks for watching my videos. Okay, guys. Now, if you're looking at joining LiveGood, okay, as a member, you can get wholesale pricing for $10 a month. And if you want to be an affiliate like myself and earn money each week, each month, each year, it's only $40 one time. Okay. Joincory.com. Just click that. Okay. And fill out your email address and your name, and you're going to get an email from me, okay? And if you want to join, just follow the email. And if you don't want to join, you just want to buy the products, awesome. Okay. And remember, with LiveGood, you can just buy the products like going to walmart.com or Amazon, okay? You don't have to be a member or an affiliate to buy our products. Now, when you go to LiveGood, you're going to hit a tab that says products, and this is it right here, okay? You can see we have vitamins and magnesium, protein powder. Here's the Super Reds and the Super Greens that brought me in, all right? I highly suggest them. If you need energy, boom, try the E3 CBD oil, CBD cream, okay? Even chicken-flavored CBD for your pets. Okay, you need some energy, you need some creatine. You guys, please look at all our products. Look at the ingredients. They are massively expensive, but guess what? We're the cheapest products out because we're a wholesale-based company. We don't retail. That's what you can do if you want. You can go to Amazon or sell online, maybe out the back of your trunk, okay? This company is not like a traditional, let's say, MLM, where you're forced to buy products to earn commissions, and obviously the products are just jacked up 10 times more than they should be, so the owners in your upline can make millions while you're the worker bee. That's not LiveGood, okay? Whipped tallow balm. Okay. I've heard of whipped. Okay. I think I've whipped some cream. Tallow. I forget it. I don't know. Now I've heard of lip balm, but whipped tallow balm, when it came out, I'm like, what the hell is that? So deep hydration, nutrient rich. It's pure and clean. Okay. All right. So with any product, you see the white rectangle, just click learn more, and it opens up a full website, a web page of what this is. You can see what the container looks like. Hit these little thumbnails and you can see what the stickers are. Okay. And over here, it's $12.95 if you're a member, $16.95, which is still smoking great price. Okay. Obviously the drop down arrow, if you want 1, 2, or 3 of these things, add to cart. And remember, anytime you buy with us, you know what the shipping is too. It's not like you pay $12 and shipping is $900. Okay. We don't do that. We ship at the United States Post Office here in America. All right, full tracking, and DHL International, all right, if it's a worldwide thing. Now, description, okay, you can read what it is, what makes it better, okay, than other brands. And I mean LiveGood. Why are we better? Read right there. Check out all the seals. All right, and I don't mean a seal that you see clapping on an iceberg eating fish, okay? Look at all the seals. How to use it, okay? And then right here, what I like about our company, and you can verify this stuff, you know, with the internet, Amazon, going to GNC, anywhere you go, you can always verify, probably within a couple pennies or a buck, how much a product actually is. You can see our product is $12.95. All right, holy cow, which I love this name. I think it's awesome. But you're going to pay a lot more, guys, you know, $17 more. And with Heath and Homestead, all right, these are direct competition. And if you look at our ingredients, they're more powerful and they're just better. But we're way cheaper because we are a wholesale company. Please remember that. When you hear LiveGood, we're going to get lumped into, like, let's say Herbalife or Amway or Nu Skin or any other company where you think of a pyramid, okay? Is that a pyramid? Is it right in the middle? All right, you think of like, oh my God, it's a scam. It's a network marketing scam thing matrix. Okay, settle down, folks. You can buy our products by going to livegood.com. And you can see our products are pretty darn cheap as they are. They're very affordable and very high powered. Now, the reason why I joined as a member is because when I spent $9.95 a month about 2 years ago, I thought, I'm saving 40 by spending 10 a month. Okay, I'm saving 40 a month by spending 10. All right, I got these little brain cells here that have way too much equipment on. I notice I have my sunglasses and my anti-glare glasses and my headset on. It looks like I'm ready to land an airplane, or I'm doing customer service for LiveGood, which we do have, by the way. If you go to support@livegood.com, they'll answer your questions. You don't have to be even a member. All right, support@livegood.com. They handle the credit card processing, the returns, the shipping. With tracking, it's nice because you can just log in and see where your products are. Okay, because a lot of people, they're just antsy. I live in Utah. We ship out of Jupiter, Florida. So if I order Monday, I get my products usually by Thursday, Friday. I'm pretty lucky. Living in America, 3, 4, 5 days, that's all it takes. All right. Obviously, if you live maybe in Canada, we're setting up distribution centers there, Mexico, all over the UK, of course. We're massive in Asia. Just China alone is like 7 planets. All right. Huge, big market over there. Africa too. All right. And it's nice with distribution centers because the products will already be there. And by the time they go from point A to point B, it's going to be faster and cheaper. All right. We had no idea we're going to have 2 million members and affiliates in 2 years, guys. This is record breaking, faster than Amazon, faster than I said it wrong. Costco, and even faster than Netflix. It's not normal to get 1 million members per year. We're now going on year number 3. We're barely 2 years old. By the 3rd year, yes, we're going to have 3, 4 million people. And now that we're in Asia, oh my gosh, I have no doubt that just that little section of dirt over there with all those countries, there's probably 10 million people that are going to be joining. And they can only join if you're an affiliate. Okay, you can search around. Go to other, advertisements, maybe go to YouTube, do your research, go to Google, of course, type in LiveGood. You'll see that we were just number 1 in 2023, 2024, and I have no doubt in 2025. And what I mean by being number 1 is our sales are awesome. They increase each month. Okay. And so does our membership. All right. We have the volume. We average easily 60,000 people per month. We were at 100,000 per month. And even a couple years later, guys, we're still signing up 15,000 people every 7 days. Okay. All I do is just make little videos like this. I upload them to YouTube. I like to email. And on social media, just random posts, nothing fancy. I just go ahead and invite people to a link. You're going to have the same link, except it's going to go to your LiveGood capture page in your business. Okay. And let me just refresh your memory there. There's the business card I made at Vistaprint. It was like $23 with shipping to my door. I bought joincory.com. And it goes to the LiveGood capture page where you watch a movie. It's a video, 5 minutes and 55 seconds. You're either in or out. And if you want to buy the products, awesome. If you want to be an affiliate, $40, guys, that's it. Okay. I keep things real simple now. All right. The more simple and shorter and faster that I am, all right, and hopefully skinnier with our healthier products, guys, I'm more successful. I've signed up, I think my last count was 413 people, just directly me, by doing exactly what I'm showing you right now, by inviting you to click joincory.com, okay? I'll show you what it looks like real quick, all right? And you can bookmark this page or you can delete it. But this is what I'm talking about the video. You're going to say hi to this handsome guy here and watch this YouTube video. It's produced by LiveGood, 5 minutes and 55 seconds. It's hosted by our CEO, Ben Glinsky. And if you'd like more information, put your name, email, click reserve my position. Okay, you're going to get an email. And that's it. And you're going to get information about LiveGood straight from the source. And if you want to join, obviously open up the email and you can join from there. So you got $49.95. $40 is the one-time fee for life ever to be an affiliate. The $9.95 is your first month. So every month, spend $9.95. And if you're going to buy our products regularly, I have no doubt, guys, that you're going to want to be a member. Okay. So why not be a member and an affiliate? All right. If you want to spend $100 a month, let's say on Live Good products, why not earn $100? All right. That way, $100 costs $100. Wham, bam. Pretty cool, right? That was my philosophy 2 years ago. I had no idea. I have no experience doing this. I guess I have 2 years now. But all I do is just simply wear Cobra Kai shirts. I decorate with Hot Wheels, and I just invite you to a link. I want you to do the exact same thing. Okay? If you need some information, support@livegood.com. Cory@corydraper.com is my email. You can find me on Facebook too. Inbox me. I'm not shy. If I can help you out, I will. Customer service is awesome. And obviously you got Google and YouTube to do all the research you can about the company. Okay. All right, guys, thanks for your time. And like I said, if you can subscribe to YouTube, my YouTube channel, that'd be awesome. Okay. All right, guys, strike first. Cobra Kai. I love this sweatshirt. I actually bought 2 of them on eBay. All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye.